today's drawing is going along with the story from this week, The Three Little Javelinas. So it's a drawing of a cactus in a desert with a really pretty sunset. This is a really fun one to do. This is what the finished drawing will look like. All right, so you're gonna have your piece of paper standing straight up, portrait style. The first thing you're gonna do is find the middle of your page and then go down just a tiny bit, and we're gonna draw the line of sand. So it's just gonna be a little wavy line, kind of like that. The second thing we're gonna do is the trunk of the cactus. So we're gonna go up like this, kind of over and down. So it's sort of like a rectangle, but with some rounded edges. Then we're gonna draw the arms of the cactus. So the first arm is gonna come off over the side here, so it's a little bit past the halfway point. We're gonna kind of go like this. And then the next arm is gonna be way down here, and it's gonna come out like this. We have the arms of our cactus. Then we're gonna draw the spines of the cactus. So these are just some big pokey lines sticking off. You can put them sort of wherever you'd like. On your cactus. Oops, I don't wanna make an X though. Your lines anywhere you'd like, all over your cactus. Like that. And then really that's the outline, the sketch of our drawing. So now we're going to just color it. So this is where the drawing really comes alive. So I am going to make a little line here that's going to be our sun, to show our setting sun. It's going to be in the corner like that. Okay, so then to color, you're going to need a lot of sunset colors. So I'm using color pencils to do my background. And these are the colors I've chosen. Basically lots of different kinds of red, orange, yellow. You're also going to need some green for your cactus, and you're going to need some brown for the sand. So these are the colors that you're going to be using to do your drawing. So the first thing I'm going to do is the sand. I'm going to draw, first of all, I like to trace with markers. So I'm going to trace this line here like this. And then I'm just going to do some specks sort of all over to just sort of show that this is some sand. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of it with my color pencil. And you can fill it in with crayons. You could also fill it in with marker if you'd like. I like to just outline with marker and then do the rest with color pencil or crayon. So I'm going to lay my pencil on its side like this so I can shade it in and have a nice even color. So I'm going to fill in the whole sand area. There you go. And then I'm going to do my cactus. So before I outline or fill in anything, I'm going to take a black marker and just trace over the pokey parts of my cactus. Remember, if you're using marker or if you're using crayon, you should do the crayon first and then the marker. You should do the marker first and then the crayon. If you try to do crayon first and then marker, it doesn't work. Go. And then I'm going to outline my cactus in a nice dark green marker. And then I'm going to fill in my cactus with a dark green colored pencil. I'm going to lay it on the side, and I'm just going to start shading. Again, you could do this with crayon if you'd like, or marker. It's up to you. All right, now we get to do the really fun part of the drawing, which is the sunset. So the first thing I'm going to do is the sun itself. So I'm going to start with a white and fill it in. And nice even color. Oh, sorry, you can't see that super well. There we go. Nice even color. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a darker color, an orange, and sort of go over the top of it. And I'm going to trace that in the nice dark yellow. And then to do the sunset, you're just going to kind of do sort of swooshing lines of orange, red, and yellow. So again, this is the final copy here. So I'm going to start with the lightest color and just kind of make my wavy lines like that. So I'm just going to kind of go across like this and just sort of make like waves. I know it's a little hard to see. But I'm just going to fill in sort of some wavy lines of this nose. And once I add the darker color, you'll be able to see a little bit what I'm doing. Sorry about that. So you're just going to kind of make these with the color. And they can be fat swooshes, skinny swooshes, whatever you want. I'm going to go with a little bit of a darker color on each one. But I'm just going to kind of shade it in, and I'm going to try to go sort of on top of the yellow a little bit to kind of blend it in. So just sort of going back and forth between big swooshes and just sort of kind of let it stay. Look at sunset even slowly round. And then I'm going to pick a little bit of a darker orange and just kind of blend that right in to my lighter. And I'm going behind my cactus. I'm not drawing over the top of it because I want the sky to look like it's, you know, going on behind the cactus. So my orange and yellow and red going in front of the cactus. So then I'm going to pick a red color. And I'm just going to kind of keep going and blend that into the orange color that we have. And by blending, I'm just sort of drawing over the top of the other color. Kind of like this to make it look like it's sort of going through that color as well. And then you can always go back and add, whoops, you can always a little more and color over the top. So then and more, but still try to keep the same flow of going across the paper like this. I'm just going to put a little bit of color. On this paper and it's pretty. I'm going to put some more yellow throughout this. Just sort of I'm gonna go all the way up to the top here. Maybe put a little bit of the yellow, just to make those smooching lines. And then you're all finished. Thanks for watching.